Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add this intro to your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to the green screen bit here, and I'm just going to find this curtain one. There is one for the beginning and there's one for the end. Select your curtain video, go to cutout, select chroma key, and select the green area of the curtain here. And adjust the strength, but just a little bit. I also want to try to blend it in with the video a little bit more, so I'm just going to adjust the temperature of the video here as well as the saturation and the brightness as well, because it's pretty dark. I really want that like blue temperature to be there. Just like trying, but it's not really showing up that much. I do need the color wheel, but it is a pro feature, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Then I'm going to right click, copy attributes, and I'm just going to paste it on this video. And it's going to basically paste the same thing, so you don't have to do it twice. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.